Hey everyone! So I get a lot of requests for ring pours, and I do get quite a few for a traveling ring pour. So I thought with these three little canvases, I would travel across these three canvases and then we can hang them on the wall, all three together. So I'm going to go ahead and move these out of the way, and we are going to get ourselves a paper cup so that we can get a nice tight edge, courtesy of Bojangles. I'm going to spray it with WD-40 spray first, so we get all the paint out of there. Okay, so I'm kind of going with fall palettes this week. So I am using a lot of black. With this one though, I want to do the cobalt metallic blue from Artist Loft. And of course gold. And let's try some Folk Art Blue Flash in there as well. And I think I want a darker blue. So we'll go with the actually let's go with the indigo from Lucas. It's a nice dark blue. And probably a hint of silver. And maybe just a touch of white to break everything up. Okay. So I want black to be my first color out, but I also want it to be my last color out. So we're going to start with black. And I'm just coating the bottom of that cup. So now I'm going to tip the cup sideways. And I'm just going to start putting color in. So we're going to go with some gold. And cobalt teal. And I think I'll go with some, let's go with a tad of white there. And some silver. And some indigo. A little bit more black. And some flash. And let's do it again. So we're going to go black, gold, cobalt blue, a little bit of white, a little bit of black, some silver, some indigo, a little bit of black, some blue flash, some white. Of course, I'm mixing them up a little bit. Back to the black. I have 3 canvases to cover, so I have to make sure I have enough paint. Gold. I love when I use up paint. I mean, it's not a lot of fun to sit and mix paints, but just means I get a fresh one. So we have lots of layering going on in that cup. I'm going to go ahead and pinch it. Bring my canvases back. And whatever paint we have left over, I do tiles. So I'm not wasting any paint. Okay. Alright, that's kind of cool. I didn't get as much black over here as I wanted. I'm afraid if I go in, I'm going to get more blue. So now what I want to do is just slowly tilt, stretch it out just a little bit. I'm going to try to force some of that black over there. Hope I won't drop my canvases. Okay, so while I got that going, I'm going to go ahead and take them apart. And then we'll work on them individually. I don't want to lose too much of the patterning. But I also need to cover my sides. And my corners. There's one. You know, I always buy these canvases with other ideas in mind, and I never get around to it, so. I had them prepped and ready to go. I wanted to try something different. Keeping our channel fresh. Okay, that one's covered. These are actually pretty. I love that blue flash because it comes out purple at one angle, and then when you tip it, it'll look blue. And of course, these are going to get resin, so they're going to be beautiful. Just helping it along. Look pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and torch them and see what we get. I'm loving the colors. Have to keep that one in mind for a dirty pour. So subscribe while you're here if you haven't already. Click on that notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. Check out all my links below. We still have our Stone Coat Art resin. code there if you want to get some resin. It's $30 and $80 purchase. And use the code CWA, all in caps. These are cool. Didn't see a lot of gold show up, but it may show up when it dries. And we have fan mail now, so check below. We have the address there, the P.O. box. Pretty pretty. I'll bring one up at a time and show you. Kind of neat. But see how that blue flash turned purple with the black? Makes it so interesting. And the runoff's going to make some gorgeous skins. And I have a little bit in my cup. I can probably get 2 tiles. So that's it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.